At the Quail Festival in the USA, Maserati presented its most extreme road supercar, the GT2 Stradale Coupe. This model is a civilian version of the MC20, created on the basis of the racing MC20 GT2. The new product received redesigned aerodynamics, reduced weight, as well as reconfigured engine, suspension and steering. The GT2 Stradale is equipped with an advanced aerodynamic body kit with an enlarged front splitter and rear wing, which increases downforce by 500 kilo. The car also received a ventilated hood and fenders, lightweight 20-inch wheels and powerful Brembo brakes. In the cabin, the central console was redesigned to reduce weight, new seats were installed in 2 sizes, and the door handles were replaced with fabric hinges. An LED engine speed indicator appeared on the steering wheel. Despite its track-focused nature, the GT2 Stradale is equipped with a multimedia system, 6 speakers, or 12 for an extra charge, and wireless charging for a smartphone. The 3-litre twin-turbo Nettuno engine now produces 640 HP and 720 Nm, which is 10 HP more than the standard MC20. With it, the car accelerates to 100 km/h in 2.8 seconds, and the maximum speed is 324 km/h. The suspension has been tuned based on the racing MC20 GT2, providing improved handling. In the Corsa Track mode, you can adjust the degree of electronic intervention, and the Corsa Evo mode, available with the Performance Pack, includes a differential lock, Michelin semi-slick tyres and carbon ceramic brakes. Options also include a fire extinguisher and 4-point seat belts. Along with the GT2 Stradale, Maserati presented at the show the first customer MC Extrema and a special edition MC20 Icona in the style of the MC12 Stradale.